Aura. Aura.
Oh, you hear him whine? You heard him.
No, I didn't.
No, we didn't.
He didn't whine. That was his.
That's his growl.
No, that
No.
was a little yip.
That was his playful growl.
It was his toy. He stepped on his little bone and it squeaked.
Oh. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow.
Krista, go to bed. Mom, Dad turned around and Krista dove underneath the chair and ran. I'm gonna walk away before I get hurt.
Get out of my slipper.
Heather,
Yes.
go in my room and get my,
Santa shorts.
no,
Oh.
my, my stocking.
That's my arm. No.
Your
That
stocking?
was my arm.
My candy.
Ow.
Okay, okay,